Hi, my name is Asaf Breutman. I decided to share my journey going from being 20 years in the tech industry, most recently 8 years as a product manager in Google Search, and how I, after a layoff this past January, decided to follow my passion for an invention idea that I had. I'm a home cook, and how passionately I hate measuring spoons. I decided to try to give it a shot, start a business, and this is what Pynch Kitchen is all about. It's about simplifying cooking and starting with simplifying measuring spices and really solving problems that I think most of us encountered. Is these measuring spoons, how they never fit in the jar, how much mess they make, how much we all would just wish we could be precise. And I'm working on an invention that will make it better, and I'm very excited about it. But really, I'm here to say more about how nervous I am and how it was actually very hard for me to even consider going on camera. It's not my normal spot, but friends and people I talked to said it can be very valuable to others who might be wanting to pursue their own passions and their own ideas. And I can share my wins, losses, mistakes, good decisions. Hopefully it'll be valuable for you, and you can also kind of follow me in my journey to try to invent a really good product so all of you can enjoy cooking more and be more precise and follow recipe with ease. So I'm extremely excited to do this for the first time and extremely nervous. And yeah, I am a father of two, love to cook, and you may be seen, if you can look at my channel, some of the recipe videos. And I really get frustrated every time I follow a recipe, which I like to be precise. Not everybody is like this, but I like to measure when I do. And how measuring spoons are always never found. You can't find the right one. It's a hassle. You have to wash them. If you pour in, it doesn't fill a jar. It makes a mess. And really, it's just like such a hassle and a burden to be precise in your cooking. Like, why is it that complicated? And I had an idea like a decade ago that tried to solve it and make it easy. And I never pursued that idea. I always kind of put it in the sideline. I worked in tech, I was busy, started a family. And every few months when I was, suddenly cooking and running into this problem, I'm like, oh, God, I wish I had that. And I never pursued it. And then when I got laid off, it was a terrifying moment. I remember standing right next to here in this kitchen when I saw the email, notice of your employment. And after like about 30 minutes, an hour of fear, it turned to excitement because I was like, oh, whoa, I can actually maybe use the time to try to pursue this passion, this idea that I believe in. And I want to use it, and I think others will too. And over the last 4 or 5 months, I've jumped into a completely uncharted territory for me. I registered a company, and there's a bunch of stories I will share in future videos about how that went and some funny stories of that experience of making decisions on what type of company to form. I started building a brand and a website. I found, and after interviewing many, a great design team to design the product. And now I'm in this exciting phase where very soon I'm getting the first prototype. So it's been building this idea, making a lot of mistakes, talking to a lot of people to learn from them. And really, I'm here today to introduce myself, tell you that I'm excited to build an amazing product and future products under this brand. I want to make everybody a better cook, make it simple to cook, but also make it elegant and make it beautiful, something you want to show to your friends. And that's what I'm about. I like precision. I like to make things simple and useful. I like to make things that anybody can use. And I promise that will be what Pynch Kitchen brand will be about. I am planning now to start sharing more as the prototypes comes in, as some bigger decision will come in terms of packaging, shipping. I want to put it out to the world. If you have feedback, feel free to shoot me an email, shoot me a DM, write in the comments. But really, if you're interested in this journey, follow pinch.kitchen on Instagram and join the waitlist on the website. Whoever signs up to the waitlist is guaranteed 20% off the first product. I'm going to cut that off at some point, so join now. And yeah, join my journey and be excited for hopefully a really, really good invention that will make your cooking easier, better, and more fun. Nice to meet you.